Storm Tracker meteorologist Grace Anello with 31 Triple Doppler.
Well, Grace, you have been working overtime just trying to track all the snow, the ice that was coming into our area, and it's been a lot.
You're kind, but so has every single other person in this building. That has not been just
true.
the weather team. I mean, we're hyper-focused on this because this is kind of our Olympics, but it has been every single person here. I mean, when was the last time you were home? Sunday morning? Sunday afternoon?
Yeah, Sunday afternoon. We've been here for a while.
Mid-afternoon Sunday, didn't we?
Yeah.
It's been here for a while.
Well, coverage you can count on, and let's keep that train rolling as we head through the rest of this morning today. Take a look at the Way 31 Skycam network, powered by Thompson Roofing and Construction. If you're headed out and about, travel with as much caution as you possibly can. These roadways are icy, they are slick, and because the snow that we saw last night is not the powdery snow, it's that more packed down snow, it makes it nearly impossible to plow or to pave. So much of that left over this morning. Temperatures sitting in the teens this morning, but feeling closer to the negative temperature mark. You heard that correct. I hate to be the one to have to tell you, but it is the truth. That, coupled with these treacherous road conditions that several county EMA officers have issued completely impassable, that's what's giving us our last 231 alert days of the week for today and tomorrow. We've been monitoring the system for the last week or so, and now here it is. We're right smack dab in the center of it. 31 triple Doppler at 6:18 this morning is completely dry, and that's the good news of the day. No more rain coming, no more snow coming. That was all yesterday's problem. But hey, how much did we actually see? Well, up to 6 inches in Fayetteville, Tennessee and surrounding areas, 5 inches here in the Rocket City, in Athens, and in Florence. The rest of us seeing even an inch in Gunnersville. Plus, remember, those areas, they were the ones that saw the freezing rain and ice mixture. That was the story for Monday. Now for Tuesday and Wednesday, it's the temperatures and the leftover snow that those 6 and 5 and 4 inch amounts is all accumulated on our roads. North Alabama and southern Tennessee completely covered in wind chill warnings and advisories, those in effect for each and every one of us all day today and into 9 a.m. on Tuesday. So to prove that point, let's do a little compare and contrasting. By 10 a.m., temperatures 15 degrees. By 4 p.m., 22 degrees. Note, not getting even close to the freezing mark or above it at any point today, but factor in the wind. By 10 a.m., we're feeling like 1 degree. By 4 p.m., feeling like 11 degrees. Bitter, bitter cold today. If you're headed out, even if it's just to play with the kids outside in the snow, because we don't see it very often, make sure you're bundled up. This is frostbite territory, and in just several minutes, your nose, your ears, your toes, your fingers, they could all have frostbite on them. If that were to happen, don't run inside and put warm water on your hands. That almost has an opposite effect. Instead, bundle up, put warm towels, put your hands near your arms to stay warm that way, but don't immediately treat it with hot water. All right, now let's head to tomorrow morning. Even colder than we are today, measuring 3 degrees, but feeling like -10. By the time we get to Thursday and Friday, those temperatures slightly warmer, but the influx of more rain and the slight possibility for a wintry mix. Now, this starts later in the afternoon, right around time for your 3 o'clock coffee on Thursday. By the time we get to your heading home from work and dinner time, rain and storms in the forecast, so plan ahead for those things. At the moment, this is looking mostly like a rain event. We could see a wintry mix, I'm telling you that now, but at the moment, it's looking mostly like some good old-fashioned rain and storms. The good news is it tracks south and east through the overnight hours and gets out of our way by the wee hours of the morning on Friday. This system is not looking severe, but it's yet another weather maker to add to our list. Take a look at this weekend. Bitter cold temperatures are back in the forecast with wake-ups barely in the double digits and then back to the single digits on Sunday. However, take a look. We do have plenty of sunshine for the first time in a while, and that certainly is a good thing. So it's the cold weather today plus the icy conditions. We're unlikely to see any melting until later this afternoon. And then we finally have rain on Thursday and sun this